Hey friends, this is week 1 of my 21 days English speaking challenge and I am super excited to share how my first week went. But first, let's warm up with a fun tongue twister. My favorite trick to practice pronunciation and fluency. Lucky loves listening to lively lessons loudly. Now faster. Lucky loves listening to lively lessons loudly. Perfect. Now our mouths are ready. Let's dive into my week 1 practice. Hey friends, in this week I mainly focused on listening. But that's not all. Every single day I also practiced one new vocabulary, one idiom, phrase, and one tongue twister to improve my fluency. These small daily activities made my English practice fun and effective. And at the end of this video, I will show you my day 1 to day 7 vocabulary, idiom, phrase, and tongue twister all together. So keep watching till the end. Why I focused on listening? Because to speak fluently, we first need to listen and understand clearly. I followed 3 listening methods this week: easy listening, active listening, responsive listening. Each one helped me differently. Easy listening built comfort. Active listening improved accuracy. And responsive listening developed fluency. I started with easy listening. I watched short, simple English videos, daily vlogs, conversation, or motivational clips, and choose topics I truly enjoy. I listened to the same video 2 or 3 times just for understanding without worrying about new words. This helped my ear get used to natural sound of English. Then I moved to active listening. Here I paid attention to pronunciation, tone, and sentence flow. First, I listened with subtitles, then without. I also wrote down useful sentences and new words in my notebook. For example, I start my day with gratitude. Repeating such sentences helped me sound clear and more confident. Now, responsive listening. In responsive listening, I practiced replying to what I hear in short clips or podcasts. For example, someone asked, "What are you doing right now?" I answered, "I am practicing English." Then I tried different replies like, "I am working on my fluency" or "I am improving my communication skills." This helped me respond quickly, a great step toward real-time speaking fluency. Along with listening, I made a small daily routine. One new vocab, one idiom, one phrase, one tongue twister. I also try to use my new word and phrase in daily situations while thinking, talking. These small daily steps made a big difference in my fluency and confidence. At the end of each day, I summarize what I did, what I listened to, what I learned, and how I practiced speaking. After 7 days of consistent listening and speaking, I can already feel the difference. I understand faster, I speak more confidently, and English feels more natural. It's true, consistency matters more than perfection. And now, as I promised, here's a quick look at my day 1 to day 7 vocab, idiom, phrase, and tongue twisters. So, that's my week 1 routine of 21 days English speaking challenge. Friends, remember, small steps every day really help. Sometimes you just have to break the ice and start speaking. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I will see you in week 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are enjoying this journey. Let's grow together one word at a time. See you soon.